So this is US oil analysis for Tuesday the 18th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come down to 68.19 right through, likely news related, through that 69.51. We're able to hold 69.51, had a pullback down here towards that 200 and 400 period average, retest 69.51, had a rejection. Currently we've gone into a consolidative range here on the US oil. So if we do break from this range to the upside, we're looking for a true test of that 69.51, successful break from which we're then looking for price head up towards that 70.79. And if we do see that follow through 70.79, we're looking for a move towards that 71.50 here on. Looking for a move up. Hold on a second here. If we do see that move through the we do see a move through the 70.79, looking for a move towards that 71.50 here on the US oil. If, however, we do see this break of this consolidation here to the downside, looking for another test of the 68.19, well established level of support, failure to hold that 68.19, possibly may see us down towards that 67.73, successful break from which we're then looking for a move down towards that 67.12 here on the US oil. And if there is sufficient volatility here to the downside, take us beyond 67.12, may even see a move down towards that 66.71 here on the US oil. Now, let's just have a look here at the daily chart and see how prices are developing, so we get the scale line here correct. So on this daily chart of the US oil, you can see here we were trending to the upside, broke that trend somewhat after trading through the 70.79, had this rather sharp pullback, brief rally up towards that slightly beyond that 70.79 again. And again, we weren't able to hold on to the 70.79, from which we've seen a bit of a pullback here, got into a bit of a consolidation, pretty tight consolidation due to the for the US oil. Let's just there we go. Pretty tight consolidation for the US oil here. So we'll see if we do have another test of that 69.51, possibly breaking ahead towards that 70.79. This is in alignment with a bit of a recovery to the upside here on the US oil, or whether we'll start to see a bit more of a breakdown. If we do break that 68.19, may just see price head down towards that 67.12. Previous scenario found support before we had this rally back above the 70.79. So if we do break down beyond the 68.19, possibly looking for a move down towards that 67.12. From a daily chart perspective, after which we're possibly then looking for price to down towards that 66.71. Now, pretty close towards that 66.71, we do have the 200 period moving average, which is currently sitting in around that 65.93, so in around that $66 barrel mark. Do have the 200 period moving average from a daily chart perspective. So we do have to be aware that we could potentially see a bullish bounce at that level, as we have previously from that 200 period moving average. So with that said, that pretty much covers everything here on the US oil. So yep, thanks for watching.